in space! Welcome back to another of our videos. Where's Sky? Sky, where are you? I'll be right back to find Sky. Psst, psst, down here. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna hide for the whole video in the fridge. That's right, in the fridge. And space won't be able to even start. It's gonna be so much fun. Hee hee hee. You'll not find me. I need to find Sky right now. Ooh, wait, is there something in my ear? Whatever. Wait, this doesn't seem right. Wasn't there a bomb that was supposed to explode right here in 2021, October 30th? I'm not sure. Wait, I think that's today. Sky, are you out there in the snow under construction? Well, I guess not. It looks scary out there. It's so white for Sky to be there. Sky, are you in the lamp? Probably not. Sky, in the door? Wait, are you actually in the door or actually outside the door? Well, I guess she's not there either. Why is she hiding? I like this. Sky, are you out on this side? Over here in, well, more places? Well, I guess I'm just gonna get this whole place to myself. Yeah, Oh, look, some treats. I guess they're for me. And your favorite pink ball, Sky. It's all for me. Ooh, looks delicious and so playful. What are you saying? There's nothing in my ear. Sky, are you here yet? Space, I'm right here. What? You actually came? Why didn't I do this before? Why is my pink ball there? Well, because I was just playing here. I did a whole video by myself. What? Yeah. And this was for 200 subscribers. And now this treat's mine. You come eat it. Hey! And this is the end of the video.
Did you just eat that treat without me for 200 subscribers?
I did. And
why would you do that?
For you. It's just still for me. Also, stop saying that, guys. There's nothing in my ear.
Please get us to 300 subscribers.
Please get us to 300 subscribers. Bye. Forever.